Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel abctech.gyan. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Office 2021 free of cost. So if you are new on my channel, subscribe the page to get more update like this. So first of all, create a folder on desktop with the name of Office 2021. Go to the browser and open the Google and type Office customization tool and select the first option appearing. Now scroll down and create, and here you will choose as per your system configuration 32-bit or 64-bit. In Office Suite, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. Additional product, click on and select language pack. Next, on this page, language English United States. Click on the next. On this page, do nothing, leave as it is. Click on the next. On this page, just turn off the uninstall any MIS version of Office and click on the next. Here you can choose Mac if you have already a license of Office, otherwise select KMS and click on the next. Now here do nothing, just click on the next. Now click on the finish. Now customization deployment setting has been completed. Now you can export that and select Office Open XML format. Click on OK. Just checkbox I accept and leave as it is file name as a configuration. Click on the export. Now it is exported in your download folder. Just click on show in folder. Just cut it from here and paste it on the folder you have created on the desktop with the name of Office 2021. Again, go to the Google, Office deployment tool. The first option, and here you will see download option. Just click on the download. As soon as it is downloaded, just double click on that. Just click here to accept the license term and condition. Click on the continue, and now select the folder you have created on the desktop with the name of Office 2021. Click on the OK. File extracted successfully. Now again go to the Google Chrome and type Google and type Office Deployment Tool 2021. Now select this option, Deploy Office LTSC 2021, and scroll down. Click on the Install Office LTSC 2021 by using the Office Deployment tool and select this wording. Just open run command and here type CMD, hit enter. Now select the path of that folder you have created on the desktop with the name of Office 2021. Just copy that path. And here type cd space, paste the path of that folder and hit enter. And now go to the browser and copy this wording and come to the CMD. Use Ctrl V to paste that wording and hit the enter. As soon as hit enter, the Office installation will get started. This is getting installed. Just wait. Is installed successfully. You can hit on close, and now you can use Office 2021. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for more update like this. Thank you so much.